Today in Medical Rounds, we're talking about how the COVID-19 vaccine could impact your next mammogram. And here with some helpful information is Dr. Naimey Wilson. She is the Associate Director of the Hartford HealthCare Cancer Institute Breast Program. Thank you, Doctor, for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
I think this is new for a lot of people to hear. How can the COVID vaccine influence mammograms according to the latest findings?
Yeah, what we're seeing these days, which is a little frightening, is basically when a woman is coming in for their mammogram or even an ultrasound, we are finding enlarged lymph nodes after the vaccine has been administered. This tends to be more common on the side that the vaccine was given, and it can last for anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks. So it's a little bit frightening because enlarged lymph nodes can be a sign of breast cancer, which is obviously what we are typically looking for in a mammogram.
So how should this really impact how and when women schedule the vaccine and a mammogram? Because I know you're going to tell us it's not a bad thing that that's happening. That's what the vaccine does, but it might mess up the timing.
Right, exactly. So we do not want women to delay getting their mammograms, but we also really need to get the COVID vaccine out there. And so if there is an option to have the vaccine right after your mammogram, that's probably the best option. Have your mammogram first, get that done, and then have the vaccine. If you're not due for your mammogram and your insurance won't pay for the next one until after the vaccine, then that's what it is. But if you can then delay by maybe 6 to 8 weeks at most for your mammogram, by then the lymph nodes tend to have quieted down a little bit.
And should a woman be nervous or concerned if they did have lymph node inflammation after the vaccine?
No. So this is actually exactly what we want to see. When a vaccine is administered and the lymph nodes get enlarged, what that means is that your immune system is responding to the vaccine. The lymph nodes play an incredibly important role in your immune health, and that is where antibodies can be produced, and that's what's basically going on. So you want those lymph nodes to get enlarged because that shows you that you're healthy and that your immune system is doing what it's supposed to do.
All right, Doctor, interesting information and something that women need to know. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
And to learn more, you can visit hartfordhealthcare.org/mammogram.